What is your name and where are you from?
Linda King from Victoria, Texas,
How did you originally hear about our company?
from a friend who recommended us to come to Houston to see Dr. Campbell.
What services does our company provide you?
Adjustments, E-stim, and ultrasound.
What did you like most about working with our company?
Friendly atmosphere, loving, you felt compassion. When you come and you're hurting, they fix you.
What makes it our company different from other companies like us?
One big thing is you will work with your insurance companies. Most of them don't.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with the work our company does for you?
10 plus.
And would you recommend our company to a friend or family member? And if so, why?
Yes, because we've been helped, my husband and myself, tremendously. And in Victoria, we have a bunch, but we don't have what you can provide.